Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Algorand coin. ALGO has broken down the support of an up channel and also rejected by the resistance of the falling wedge pattern on the daily time frame, and on the weekly time frame it is going to test the next support in the long term. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it, and for more ideas you can also support me here at the Patreon, because here I am sharing different trading ideas for you, and you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. First of all, let me show you this 4-hourly time frame chart. When I shared my last video, at that time the price line after this breakdown of this channel, it was retesting the previous support of the channel as a resistance, and you can see that here it has confirmed this resistance, and after retesting it has moved down and even broke down the next support that we had at 87 cents. We had this level has been breaking as a very nice support here and here as well. Right now here, before this the breakdown, it was breaking as a nice support here on 14th of Feb, but recently it has broken down the support, and even after breaking down it has confirmed this support as a resistance now after retesting this level as a resistance, and now it is moving more down. Now if we switch to the daily time frame from here, then we can see the price line is also rejected by the resistance of this very big falling wedge pattern. When I shared my previous video, at that time we were at the resistance of this falling wedge pattern here, and now we are rejected, and after this rejection now Algorand may test the support of the wedge that is approximately at 65 cents. Now if we switch to the weekly time frame, then here we had very significant support of 87 cents that I was showing you even on here on the 4-hourly time frame. And after that, in this long term, we have the next significant support, very important support, at 67 cents. You can see that here it has been breaking as a support here and here as well, and here it has been breaking as a nice resistance, and even back in 2019 it has been breaking as a nice support here, by the way. Now this time there like we have already seen that it is moving down to test the support of the channel, this wedge pattern that is approximately at 65 cents. Therefore we can also test this support of 67 cents, and I'm expecting that if we are moving down, then it up to this support of the wedge can be only a spike, and we can have a nice reversal from there, because we have a very nice price level support on the weekly time frame chart on the long term at the same, almost at the same level as well, that is at 67 cents, and then we can start a move to the upside to make another attempt to break out the resistance of this falling wedge. This time, for example, if we will have a reversal move from here to make another attempt to break the resistance out, then this time the resistance will be approximately at 83 to 84 cents. Now we should be ready for test of this support and also this long-term support of 67 cents, and from there we can expect, if the price line starts an accumulation at this support, then we can expect that the price line will make another attempt like it is doing every time after hitting the support. It is moving towards the resistance of this wedge. It can do the same thing again and make another attempt to break out the resistance. So this was the update so far. I hope that you have liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well, and for more ideas you can also support me at the Patreon, because here I am sharing different trading ideas for you, and you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.